Welcome back here at Babylonstoren. Today I have something special I want to show you, something really exciting. In Clivia breeding, most people will look at size of flower, deep colors, but there's something special called Clivia with versi color, where the color or the inside of the throat of the plant is different to the outside petals. And I want to just bring you closer and to show you. So this again is an interspecific Clivia breed, and the color on the outside of the flower is this beautiful burnt orange. But if you look right inside its throat, it has a very light yellow. The flower will open to, like your Clivia miniata, to an open petal form. And the particular cross that we have here is a Clivia miniata crossed with a caulescens. And so the color variation would come from the caulescens, and the beauty and the size of the flower from your Clivia miniata. Come join me, Brent, here at the Clivia house. See what's new, see what's in flower.